We'll guide you through how to connect Apfiy to Claude. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing the video over to Pausa, who's going to continue.
First, make sure you are using the Claude desktop app, as this integration is not available on web version. If you have not installed it yet, just go ahead and install it first. And once your Claude is installed, at the top you will see a sidebar. Just go ahead and toggle it on and go to customize. Now just click on connect your apps. So here just type Apfiy and you should see Apfiy. Just go ahead and click on the plus icon and choose to install. After that, just go ahead and click on install if prompted and just wait for it to finish. Now here you will get to add your Apfiy API token. So just go ahead and open your browser and go to apfiy.com and sign in with your account. After signing in, go to the settings at the bottom and then just go ahead and go to API and integration. And here just go ahead and click on create new token, and then you can add description and then click on create. And now you will see a token will be successfully created. Just go ahead and click on this copy icon to copy and go to your Claude and press Ctrl and V key on your keyboard, and after that just go ahead and click on save. And once that it is saved, just go ahead and toggle it on. After that, just go ahead and restart your Claude. After restarting, just go to your customize and now go to your connectors, and now you should see your Apfiy connected, and that's it.